That's what gave him the experience. Number 2, to get a job with Khadija al-Kubra. Yes? Always a father should ensure this generation learns how to work from the age of 15, 16. Now, how many of our kids spoon-fed, living on dad's money, not working and appreciating what it means to earn? Your Prophet worked. And likewise, there's no insult in working at a young age. They say, beware of the boy who has a PhD. Someone said, what do you mean? A boy with a PhD, mashallah. No, PhD is Papa has dough. Those ones, when they want to come and marry you, there's 2 types of them. The one, mashallah, his dad has not made him recognize the importance and the value of earning. The other, no. His dad has made him realize that, listen, this money doesn't fall off trees. I've had to sweat for you to go to that school, for you to go to that college, for you to go to that university. Rasulullah, Abu Talib told him, listen, you get a job. You're Prophet of God, you go and earn a living. And Rasulullah would say, there are 70 levels of worship, and the first of them is to earn a lawful living. First of them is not Salah and Saum. Salah and Saum, robot can do Salah and Saum. Press the button, Allahu Akbar. He doesn't know what he's reading. Earning a lawful living is a pride for a Muslim. Rasulullah would say, I do not like to see anything but seeing the hands of someone who has worked to earn. Yes? Rasulullah's uncle Abu Talib told him, Khadija bint Khuwaylid, there is a job going for her. Good lady, brilliant business, go and earn. Because Nabi Idris was a tailor. Yeah, Nabi Idris, what was he? Tailor. Nabi Musa was what? A shepherd. Isa, carpenter. Rasulullah in charge of the goods of Khadija al-Kubra. Abu Talib did not tell him, oh Muhammad, you know what? You can chill, you're a prophet of God, everything's going to be okay for you. No. Go out and earn and recognize the sweat that comes from earning in halal. Today, I see a generation, they get to university, have not even worked one job in their life. What type of Muslim community is it that the kids find it normal? And then that's why they're so spoiled when they get married. Each one of them wants to think that everything will fall from a tree. There's no harm. Your father worked his socks off until he became what he is. Likewise, there's nothing harmful about having a Saturday job at a supermarket, a Saturday job sweeping the street, a Saturday job at the community center. There's no harm. There's no harm. A Saturday job, brick and cement, so you learn the meaning of hard work. Yes. Rasulullah in his youth, Abu Talib took him traveling. Abu Talib took him as well to do what? Abu Talib took him to get his job. He told him, Muhammad, go and work. There is a job going. Do you think Rasulullah turned around and said, what do you mean go and work? You know who I am? Because there are some kids today who will turn around and say, why? Why should I work? What's $20 or $40 or £100 going to do for me on a Saturday? What's it going to do for me? It's not what's it going to do for you. It makes you a man. You know how to earn in every situation. A real man is not one who sits on dad's luxury inheritance. A real man is someone, inflation, deflation, recession, economy up, down, they'll know how to earn and scrap. Rasulullah in his youth learned and showed one thing. There is no job which is embarrassing in Islam. No job. What do we mean? Sometimes today people are like, you know, if I work this job, it's a bit below who I am. You're nothing. I'm nothing. Nobody's anything. When you earn in halal, Allah loves to see someone earn in halal.